Hi guys, welcome back to Alexi's channel. Today I look bald because I did this hairstyle. Anyways, in today's video, I have ordered some tops and bottom wear. Mostly those are skirts, so let's start. Okay, so the first thing I got is this one, and this is what I got. Honestly, this top is 10 on 10. It's entirely true to the picture. There's no defect, no drawbacks, anything of about this top. So this is Georgette material, as you can see, and this is full sleeves, and in the hand part, I mean the wrist part, it has a bit of elasticity. Yes, and in the back side it's smoked, means elasticity is there, stretchability is there. And in the chest area, the design looks like this. You can see there's like button. It's a very cute top if you pair up nicely. So yeah, so the second top I got is this one. Now this is a peplum top. So now this is look like this. It also true to the picture, and it's actually 10 on 10 too, because there's no defect. Whatever you're seeing in the picture, it's exactly like this. You will exactly get the product like that. So this is also smoked at the back. You can see elasticity is there. Well, let me just show you. Elasticity is there, and this is balloon sleeves. It has elastic here, and in the bottom you can see peplum design is there. So the next item I got is a satin skirt from Meesho. I was a bit skeptical because it's coming out really nicely in the website. Well, I am quite impressed by Meesho also, because in real life maybe it's actually nice, but I just want to say that be careful while ordering it, because there's no elastic, there's only a zipper at the side. So if you fit, you fit. I ordered this in S, but still it's a bit loose for me. But I think if this skirt was in XS, I think it would fit me very nicely. So just go one size down. This is actually not even satin. This is like this crepe material that looks like satin, but it's not like a satin. मतलब ऐसे समझ लो कि satin और crepe जो मतलब siblings है वो material जो if I'm making any sense. By the way, this skirt has no slit, and I feel like if you're a tall girly, then only it will be a midi skirt for you. But for the average girly and like short height girly, it will be a maxi skirt for you. And this is what it looks like. Nothing much to say. But although I just want to say that I feel like this is one of those like unphotogenic clothes website na. It actually look good in real life, but I don't know, for some reason in videos and photos may the beautifulness of this skirt doesn't come out properly. So if you are thinking to buy a skirt just for like Instagram photos and like videos, just lower your expectation, because you won't get that. But if it's just for your personal use, then I would suggest it. So it's a 50-50 for me. If you want to buy it, go ahead and buy it. But if it's for the picture and all, for the gram, then you can have some problem. But just order it, and if you like it, just keep it to yourself, and if you don't like it, you can return it back. Just see for yourself. I think it would be better if you just like see this skirt in reality, then you will be able to decide properly. I think so. Because this skirt is something that I don't know, you have to see for yourself. Other clothes is fine, like I can just tell you here, but this skirt is different. Okay, so the next top I got is this one, and this is what I got in real life. Now I genuinely feel like when you look at this top, like just in video camera, it doesn't look good, but I feel like genuinely when someone wear this top, it looks way much more prettier. So let's just have like a closer look. The back side. Overall, I like the top. I think you can just pair up with the simple jeans with beachy hair wave. I think you will look really cute with that. So this is a 10 on 10 for me, except for the chain. The zipper have to go. Okay, so the next top I got is this one, and this is what I got in real life. One girl has been texting me for like, I don't know how long. She was saying, can you please review this? And I got this. I am actually impressed, because I was not expecting this type of finds in Meesho, but thanks to that girl. This is a very cute, and if you're still into like cottagecore or fairycore, you can definitely go for it. This is not entirely to do with the picture, but I would say 90 to 80% it's similar. Now about this is elastic here, and also there's elastic, and this is like balloon sleeve style, and this is the strap of the top. This is not elastic at all, let me just be clear on that. I hate this back side of the top. It's smoked, so it's elastic, sorry, here. And I just wish there was much more nice detailing in this part. You can see they just kind of left it like this. If there was like more detailing here, I think the top would look more elevated in my like opinion. And also about the like bottom, what is up with this? Can you see this void? I don't like it. I wish it was just completely fill it up. Like fabric should be here too. Why they need to do this? I don't like that also. And about this main part, I feel like in see, whenever we say corset, we imagine a bit of like thick material, but this is thin material. I mean, it's not that super thin, but in terms of like a corset, I feel like it's a bit thin. So I just wish it was much more thicker. But overall, this is a very cute top. I think you can just slay. This top I got is this one. Let me show you a 360 degree of this top. Okay, about this top, this is not entirely through the picture you can see, and this is a bit different. In the picture it's coming out like a very sunny yellow, but this in real life it's not actually lemon yellow also, but it's not even like butter yellow. I don't know what yellow is this. This is a bit of like lemon yellow plus pumpkin color ka mashup. It's like that, and there's color difference obviously in the video camera and in real life, but overall I like it. It's cute. Like, there's three bow, 1, 2 and 3. Also you can see there's like silver lining, which was not given in the website ka picture. So you, like, I'm just telling you here, so you not get scammed. And there's elastic at the wrist part, and this is a bow top. This is a bow top that, like, I think everybody know, because this bow top got viral like last year. And the bottom is in peplum style, so nothing much to say. If you guys like it, you can. The quality is nice, it's not that bad. If you are still into this type of like trendy tops, you can just go ahead and buy it. It's a 10 on 10 for me. It just, except for the color difference and the silver lining, and overall it's a good top. Okay, so the next top I got again is a bow top. I don't know why I'm reviewing this right now, because I feel like I mean, it's still in trend, but you know, it's not like the trend is going away, but still I don't know why I decided to choose now. This is the top that I got, or this is what it looks like on the website. I feel like peplum top is such a very comfortable item to wear in like spring and summer also. So if you're still in this type of design, you should obviously go ahead and purchase this, because it's nice. It's not that bad. It's 10 on 10 actually. Okay, so the next top I got is this one, and this is what I got in real life. I honestly love this type of like flare design wala top or dress, because it's very comfortable to wear. Like, I forgot the real picture, but I think in the photo it was looking much more promising than in real life. I mean, in real life it's also not bad, it's actually good, but I feel like photo mein zyada promising tha, you know, and I feel like photo mein bhi zyada acha lag raha hai quality. About the quality, it's obviously fake cotton, it's not real cotton. It's like, you can see it's a see-through, so you have to wear like something like neutral colored inner wear. Don't go for the dark one. And the quality is a bit thin. I mean, the cotton is thin, but it's just giving cheap cotton. But it's not that bad. It's not that bad. I would rate this 8 out of 10. It's not that bad. And you can just style up with a maxi skirt or like even linen pants. It will look so good. But will I suggest you this top? I will be very honest. If you're a person who's like very conscious about like the quality, like in terms of fashion, quality matters you the most, then don't go for this. I think you will get much more better option than this in Myntra and like Ajio, other the Indian website. But I mean, but just because I said that, don't be like, oh, ye wala bahut kharab hai. It's not like that. It's actually not bad, but it's not good also. It's like just average. But if you don't have any problem with thoda sa, if you're that kind of person ki itna matlab material superior nahi ho jane se bhi ho jayega, just like average quality also works out for you, then you can go for it. It's actually a nice top. But if you're like a very quality conscious person, then don't go for this. Like, I have a mixed review about this top. So yeah, so if you guys are thinking, will Alexi will wear this top, see, I'm not that type of person who's like very conscious about the quality. Quality only matters to me in like the books, and not books, sorry, bags and like my shoe. It has to be like of good quality. But in clothes, I don't mind wearing thrifted clothes or like cheap clothes also, but the quality shouldn't be that bad. Even if it's like just average quality, like I would wear this, honestly. I don't have any problem. So the next top I got is this one, and this is what I got in real life. I feel like this was much more better in pictures. Like in reality also it's not that bad, I would say, but in picture it was like much more better. And this is what it looks like. I really like this, like this ruffle thing, and it goes all the way down. I think this style was very much popular in 2023 ka spring summer. Nothing much to say about this top. This top is entirely covered with this like floral print. I wish the pink was a bit more toned down, like pastel pink, but it's, I don't know, this is a bit of dark pink, which I'm not, like I told you, I'm not very dark person wala. I'm more on the neutral palette side. This is a 7 out of 10. There's no defect. Stitching is also nice, but it just the color, and that is just not my style. This top is not that, it doesn't align with my aesthetic, so that's why I'm giving it 7 out of 10. So the next item I got is a maxi skirt, which looks like this. In reality, it looks like this. I mean, it's not true to the picture. It is to the picture, but not entirely. Okay, so nothing much to say. There's elastic here, and there's like a extra string to make it more tighter, like in case if the elastic get loose, this is there to back you up. And this look like this. And in the bottom of the skirt you will see this design. This is not even lace, this is just like a, I don't know what it is but it looks like this. And the material is, I think this is polyester. Material is polyester. Picture me, you can clearly see the background is white color. This, like the background of the skirt is white color, but you can see it's not white. It's kind of like pastel ice blue color, like the background of the skirt. So this is the last skirt that I got. I don't have it right now in my hands because I lost it somewhere, and I'm trying my best to find it, but I can't find it. So I feel like this skirt is so versatile in terms of aesthetic. You can style in a streetwear, Y2K, street style, sorry, Y2K, Akubi, grunge, and I feel like in other ways also. I'm sure you guys are very talented. You girls are all fashionista. I know you guys will figure out. This is true to the picture. It's an asymmetric skirt. It's like a bit of handkerchief style going on. I mentioned the handkerchief style like this in my previous vlog. So yeah, and I think the price was also very reasonable for whatever product I got for, and this is how I styled it, and nothing much to say about this skirt. And guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you like my haul. I will come up with more new hauls, so like, share and subscribe, whatever you need to do so that my channel can grow. And I hate this place. I'm not even kidding. This is not even the main road. This is just like a colony road, but still 24 hours is like car honking. Please guys, I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.